placement is anteroposterior, front and back. This allows for greater trunk stability and less pressure on the lower back. Don't let your shoulder blades relax, as this puts much more emphasis on the trapezius contraction than on the medial deltoid. Retract your shoulder blades, keeping them nice and tight, and keep your elbows slightly bent. When performing the exercise, remember that the weight only goes up to shoulder level. Don't go much higher than that to avoid greater activation of your traps. And for your breathing, inhale on the way up and exhale on the way down. From this angle, you can see better that with loose shoulder blades, you put much more pressure on your trapezius. And with retracted shoulder blades, you get much better engagement from your medial deltoid. And always remember that your elbows should be in line with your shoulders. Did you like these tips? Then go ahead and leave a like and share this with that friend of yours who always gets the form wrong on their lateral raises.